Hey guys, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we're going to take a look at the fifth wheel behind me. This is the brand new for 2019 Solitude S-Class. This is the 3350 RL floor plan. It is a residential style rear living floor plan with a large amount of outside storage. So let's check it out together.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so this is a very large fifth wheel, so it's hard to get a look at the entire thing all in one glance. So the first thing you're going to notice about the front cap, this is a painted front cap. It is a one-piece molded fiberglass front cap. It does have LED lighting around the tongue, and of course the front cap is going to make it easier for you to hook up in lower light settings if it's sunset, or if you're setting up at the campground in the dark, that kind of thing. We've got storage right here in the front, lots of storage here. This is completely finished and enclosed, so this is a very nice area for you to store some things up here. It is prepped for solar, so all you have to do is buy the solar panels, and you're going to have that plug and play already there. We do have a dual set of patio awnings, so you're going to have patio space down the entire side of this RV. There are outside speakers already installed as well, and these are connected to the indoor sound system, so anything you hook to your indoor sound system can play outside. Here is a very, very large pass-through storage compartment. This is probably one of the biggest ones I have seen on a fifth wheel, and it is completely finished, as you can see, including the flooring. It's going to be very easy to clean and keep clean the way that it's constructed. And of course, under here you can see the aluminum superstructure, so you can see just how well built this RV really is, just by sticking your head in this pass-through storage compartment. It does have motion sensor lighting in this storage compartment, so when you open it, that light is automatically going to pop on for you. And there is a place right here where you can actually attach a mount for a TV, and there's your cable hookups right there as well. These are fully laminated walls. It is solid. All of the walls are laminated, so you don't have to worry about your slide room walls. A lot of manufacturers will actually laminate all of their walls except their slide rooms, and then you have issues with your slide, but Grand Design does not do that. And of course, it is protected by the industry-leading Grand Design 3-year limited structural warranty. It's a fabulous warranty. Grand Design is an amazing company to work with when it comes to warranties. So I think you'll be very happy with that as well. Again, like I said, this is the 3350 RL, and this is the residential version. This is protected by the WeatherTech Arctic Insulation Package, which is going to give you longer times to camp in this particular camper with many upgraded insulation packages. This is the brand new solid step above. It is very sturdy. It's going to make your entrance and exit from this RV much easier and safer. You have got aluminum rims with nitrogen filled tires. It's going to be safer and quieter going down the road. As we head to the rear of this RV, you'll see it is prepped for a backup camera, the Furrion plug and play system. So all you have to do is buy the monitor and the camera and plug it right in, and you're ready to go. You've got your 2-inch receiver hitch back here as well if you would like to add a bike rack or a storage rack. Slide out awnings are already installed in this particular floor plan and in the Solitude S-Class. So that's going to be very convenient for you, already done from the manufacturer. Here is your electrical hookup. This is a 50 amp, and and it is a detachable power cord with an LED light, so it's going to be very easy for you to know that it's working correctly. Here is your universal docking station, and it does have your outside shower with both hot and cold water. This is a very easy system to use. It is all heated and enclosed, so you don't have to worry about things freezing or anything like that. Here is the controls for your electronic leveling system. Makes it very easy to set up. Alright, I think that about covers it for exterior features, so let's head inside and check it out. Okay guys, so we're going to start here in the interior. The first thing that you're going to notice is that this is a very spacious living area with opposing slides with a large kitchen island in the middle. It is very warm and inviting in here. There's a lot of backlighting that promotes that feeling. It has a very homey residential feel. So heading into the living area, it does have the upgraded theater seating. It has nice little trays that come across your lap, and then of course it still has the massage and heat, lighted cup holders, electronic open and close, footrest. So this is a very, very nice set of theater seating from Thomas Paine. And then you have your 3-cushion couch that is, of course, a hide-a-bed to give you a little extra sleeping space as well. You've got cabinets above for storage. Over here in the entertainment area, you have your flat screen TV. And then, of course, above you have your Jensen sound system. This is AM/FM, Bluetooth, HDMI, and app ready. That is zoned for inside and out, so you can definitely use that however, with whatever media that you like to use it with. We have our fireplace here. This is an electronic fireplace. It will heat up to 500 square feet. So that's definitely going to take the chill off on those cold days. So you don't have to stress about having to turn the furnace on every time that it gets a little chilly. So we'll pan around here and you can see the kitchen area, as well as the dining area, the freestanding dinette. The entire RV is equipped with blackout roller shades. These help with temperature control as well as sunlight. It'll protect your furniture, keep it from fading as fast, and also for privacy. Alright, here in the kitchen, you're going to see that you have a very nice set of residential feeling appliances. From the microwave, this is a large residential style microwave with a convection oven built in, which makes it very easy to use for just about anything that you might want to use it for. And then you have the solid flush countertop cover for your Furrion self-lighting gas range. And this one even has a drawer underneath for the storage of your pots and pans, which is so nice. Most RVs do not have that. Right here next to the stove is a really, really nice pantry that has adjustable shelving based on your needs, and then drawers as well. Your residential refrigerator is going to give you so much more space than most RV refrigerators. This is a true residential stainless steel refrigerator. You're not going to have to worry about going to the store every 2 days when you're traveling. That's going to give you so much more flexibility. And then of course you've got a little desk here that you can use this to store things, papers, display things if you would like. And then you've got more storage here as well. kitchen island has outlets, so you can actually sit small appliances on top of this counter. There are drawers and storage space under here as well, and there is a place for your trash can. We have a residential style faucet with a full fire hose, a stainless steel solid undermounted sink. These are solid surface countertops, so these are going to hold up really well. You're not going to have to worry about any chipping, peeling, or anything like that from the laminated stuff. And there is no T-molding edge that's going to come out. It's really, really a nice upgrade. So now we're going to head into the bathroom. And this is a very large bathroom. I love the bathroom in this. You can see there's lots of backlighting behind the mirror. This is going to make getting ready a dream in the mornings. You've got double basin sinks. We have a full-length mirror. We have a towel closet. And then, of course, this large shower. And it still has the skylight, but it's very tall. This is a nice one-piece shower with a seat. You're not going to have to worry about any leaks. You're not going to have to maintain any shower seals. This really makes it simple for you. Nice shower head, adjustable in height. And then, of course, you do have your porcelain foot pedal flush toilet with lots of space. And the door is a pocket door, so the door is not going to take up any of your space inside the bathroom when you're in there. Alright, now as we head into the master bedroom, you'll notice that we do have a king-size bed, and there is a second air conditioner already installed in the master bedroom. We have a very large walk-in closet, and then a flat screen TV already installed, and a dresser beneath it. As we head into the master closet here, you'll notice that there is built-in shelving and a rod all the way across. And then it's carpeted on the bottom. Underneath the king-size bed here, there is ample additional storage. This RV is packed with storage. Alright guys, so something I didn't mention is that this RV does have a heat pump AC, and it is equipped with the Stealth AC system, so it is going to be quiet, and it's going to be a very high output air conditioning system. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Something else that I forgot to mention is that this RV does have 12-volt tank heaters, so you're not going to have to worry about your tanks freezing and busting no matter what time of year you're out camping. So I really wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. We really appreciate it. We are located in Ashland, Kentucky on Route 60. We are owned and operated by the same local family since 1976, and we are very proud of that here at Summit RV, and we would love to have you as part of the Summit RV family. So come on down and check out this camper, and we will be happy to help you. We're open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now, Monday through Friday, we're open until 5:30 in the evenings, and on Saturdays until 5. Alright guys, so I will see you next time.
RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun. Summit RV.